Hello, my name is Sam Lee with ProCutta, and today I'm here to show you how to assemble the ProCutta 16-foot kit. You're just going to need a Phillips driver with a number 2 tip. Upon opening the box, you're going to have 8 2-foot ProCutta sections, instructions on hardware, and a carry bag. In the envelope, there's your hardware, there's the instructions. The hardware consists of the base plate brackets, the hex screws, the wing nuts, and the knife guide channel plates and screws. And I would highly recommend assembling this at home or at the shop a day before you're on the field. Take 2 sections, connect them together, flip it over, and there's 2 holes right here for the hex heads. And go ahead and drop them in. That's closer to your body. You're going to put your fingers over the screw heads, hold them in place. You're going to grab the base plate and throw it over the hex heads. You can take your wing nuts and fasten. And tighten, and flip it over. Repeat steps on this side. At this point, I would go ahead and put on the knife guide channel guides. Grab the plate, put the screw in one side. And install. When you get to this screw, don't tighten the screw, kind of put it loosely. Put in your second screw. And then snug. Repeat to the other side. Now I'm going to snug up my little wing nuts here, so I went ahead and got my quarter exit tip here. I'm just going to snug it up. Same on this other side here. Okay, one length completed. Gonna repeat 3 more times. Okay, last one done. There you have it. 4 4-foot lengths, 16 feet altogether. Take your custom carry bag and carry your ProCuttas in here.